Students, today we are going to learn the one words in lesson important cities of India. The first heading, fill in the blanks. The first one, Kolkata has the oldest port in India and it is situated on the banks of the river Das. So Kolkata has the oldest port. It is situated on the banks of the river Hooghly. Second one, Das is located on the shores of Bay of Bengal. Das is located on the shores of Bay of Bengal. It is Chennai city. Okay, well. Third one, Das has been the capital of many powerful kingdoms since olden times. So Das has been the capital of many powerful kingdom is Delhi city. Fourth one, Das is the local language spoken by most people in Mumbai. Das is the local language spoken by most people in Mumbai. It is Marathi. Fifth one, the Red Fort is a historic red sandstone fort which was built by the Mughal Emperor Das in 1639. So Red Fort was built by the Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan in the year 1639. Sixth one, Das is a symbol of modern architecture and has become the big tourist attraction. Das is a symbol of modern architecture and has become a big tourist attraction. It is Lotus Temple. Seventh one, many people use the Howrah Bridge to dash in and around the city. Many people use the Howrah Bridge to commute in and around the city. So commute means travel in a regular basis. And the last one, Mumbai is known as the dash capital of India. Mumbai is known as the financial capital of India. The next heading, true or false. The first one, Rashtrapati Bhavan is situated in Mumbai. Rashtrapati Bhavan is situated in Mumbai. The statement is false because Rashtrapati Bhavan is situated in Delhi. Second one, Chole Bhatur is a famous food item of Delhi. Chole Bhatur is a famous food item of Delhi. The statement is true. Third one, Calcutta was the capital of India until 1911. Calcutta was the capital of India until 1911. Yes, the statement is true. Fourth one, Chennai is located on the western coast of India. Chennai is located on the west. No, it is located on the south. So, the statement is false. Fifth one, Kolkata experiences humid and dry climate throughout the year. Kolkata experiences humid and dry climate throughout the year. No, it's experienced humid and warm climate throughout the year. So, the statement is false. The next, match the following. So in column A, I have given Chennai, Delhi, Kolkata, Eden Gardens, Mumbai. And in column B, Indira Gandhi International Airport, Tram, Madras, Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj International Airport, and the largest cricket stadium in India. So let's see the answer. The first, Chennai, it is also known as Madras. Second, Delhi, Indira Gandhi International Airport. Kolkata, it is Tram. Eden Garden, the largest cricket stadium in India. Mumbai, Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj International Airport. So once again, I just repeat. Chennai, it is Madras. Delhi, Indira Gandhi International Airport. Kolkata, Tram. Eden Gardens, largest city cricket stadium in India. And the Mumbai, Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj International Airport. The next heading, name the following. The first one, name the 4 major cities of India. The answer, Kolkata, Delhi, Mumbai and Chennai. So, the 4 major cities is Delhi, Kolkata, Mumbai and Chennai. Second one, name any 2 food items that are famous in Chennai. So, food items famous in Chennai, that is Paranta and Chaat. Paranta and chaat are the famous food items in Delhi. Third one, name any 3 food items that are famous in Mumbai. So famous food items in Mumbai is Pav Bhaji, Bhel Puri and Vada Pav. Fourth one, name 2 tourist attractions of Chennai. Name 2 tourist attractions of Chennai. The answer, Marina Beach and Government Museum. Fifth one, name the international airport in Kolkata. Name the international airport in Kolkata. It is Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose International Airport. Sixth one, name 2 important means of public transport in Mumbai. Name 2 important means of public transport in Mumbai. Answer, behind Mumbai Electricity Supply and Transport, that is BST, that is BEST, and the Mumbai Metro Rail Corporation Limited, MMRCL. So these are the two important means of public transport in Mumbai. The next heading, who am I? The first one, important buildings or monuments. Important buildings or monuments is termed as landmarks. Second one, travel on a regular basis. Travel on a regular basis is also known as commute. Third one, honor a person or an event by making or building something. Honor a person or an event by making or building something is also known as commemorate. Fourth one, relating to money, which is also termed as financial. So once again I just repeat, important buildings or monument is also known as landmarks. Travel on a regular basis is known as commute. Third one, honor a person or an event by making or building something is known as commemorate. Relating to money was termed as financial. So these are the one words of this lesson. If you are having any doubt, you can ask me anytime. Thank you.